Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a green vegetable that is widely used in cooking in many parts of the world. While it may not be as popular as other vegetables such as broccoli or spinach, okra is a highly nutritious food that offers a range of potential health benefits, from supporting digestive health to potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. There are so many reasons why you may want to consider adding okra to your diet. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you the various health benefits of okra backed by scientific research so that you can make an informed decision about incorporating this vegetable into your meals. The first health benefit is that okra is rich in nutrients. It is low in calories and contains vitamin C, A, and vitamin K, as well as folate, magnesium, and potassium. It also contains fiber, which is important for digestive health. Number 2, it may help manage diabetes. Okra has been found to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels, potentially helping to manage diabetes. The fiber in okra may also help to slow down the absorption of sugar in the body. It is important to note that people with diabetes should be careful when considering adding more okra into their diet. Although okra may be able to help people better control their blood sugar, it can also interfere with metformin, which is a medication often used to treat type 2 diabetes. Number 3, it may support heart health. The high fiber content of okra may help to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. And number 4, it may promote healthy skin. The vitamin C in okra may help to promote collagen production, which can help to keep skin healthy and youthful looking. And number 5, it may support digestion. Okra contains soluble fiber, which can help to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. And number 6, it may have anti-cancer properties. Some studies have suggested that okra may have anti-cancer properties, potentially helping to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. It has antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are natural compounds that help your body fight off molecules called free radicals that can damage cells. Free radicals are most well known for causing oxidation damage, which can eventually lead to cancer. And studies using concentrated compounds from okra showed they inhibited the growth of breast cancer cells by up to 63%. And number 7, it may help with asthma. Okra contains vitamin C, which has been found to have a positive effect on respiratory health, potentially helping to reduce the risk of asthma. So here are some more ways that you can add okra to your diet. You can roast it in the oven for a healthy snack. You can cook okra with tomato sauce and serve over pasta. You can grill okra until it is slightly charred, and you can saute okra with garlic and serve it as a side. You can add okra to a vegetable stir fry, and you can make a pilau with okra and quinoa. You can also make okra water, which is very popular now. And in Africa, okra is used to make okra stews and soups in many different ways. In conclusion, okra is a highly nutritious and versatile vegetable that offers a range of potential health benefits. Its high fiber content, vitamin and mineral content, and potential anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties makes it a valuable addition to any diet. So next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to add okra to your grocery list. Thank you once again for your time today. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.